Instead of using wrapping paper this holiday season, why not try some eco-friendly gift wrapping? Use an old calendar as wrapping paper. I wrapped a box with one of the old pages and added some ribbon. Use recycled clothing for wrapping. My daughter's leggings had a hole in them. I cut off the leg, turned it inside out, and I hot glued the bottom edge together. I then flipped the leg right side out and slid in a bottle of wine. I tied some ribbon around the top and folded the leg down. I also added a necklace to dress it up a bit. Use a new towel for gift wrap. For this gift, I filled a hot pad with rubber scrapers and added some dish towels and a hand towel. I opened up the hand towel and placed my hot pad with the rubber scrapers facing down on the back side where the print is on the hand towel. I then folded in both sides of the hand towel. I placed a white ribbon on the towel and the present was ready. Use a recycled jar. I filled a recycled jar with a manicure kit. On the outside of the jar, I hot glued some burlap ribbon. I glued an ornament onto the ribbon and a mini pine cone ornament on the top of the jar. Use a recycled tin. This is a tin I was given last year. I saved it, and inside I used a scarf instead of tissue paper to wrap a present. Have a lone mitten? Use it to hold a gift card this holiday season. Use new socks as gift wrap. I placed a packet of hot chocolate, a candy cane, and one of the new socks inside a mug. I took the other sock and pulled it around the mug so the mug would be inside. I tied a ribbon around the sock with a little snowflake doily, and I folded the top part of the sock down. Use a blanket as gift wrap. I placed a stuffed snowman in a recycled box. I then folded the blanket over the box and I wrapped it with a ribbon. I added a bell ornament to the top. Use recycled newspapers or magazines. Growing up, a lot of us used newspapers and comics to wrap presents. I always loved that. This is a baseball DVD wrapped with the sports section of the newspaper. To keep it simple, I wrapped it with some twine. Use recycled bags. These bags were recycled, and one originally held an electric blanket and the other one held sheets. I kept the bags and placed a new blanket in one and a travel mug in the other. I then slid them both into a reusable bag. No need for tissue paper, and the reusable bag can be used for groceries and other things later. I hope this inspires you to try some eco-friendly gift wrapping of your own this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.